Hi, do you want to spend Durga Puja in Kolkata? Do you want to do pandal hopping and visit as many pandals as you can in one day? Well, I know I do. So let's get started. Today we are going to be covering North Kolkata, which is one of the oldest places in Kolkata, the old Kolkata basically, and it's going to be covering mainly Shialda, College Street, Hedua, and also the Bow Bazaar area. So basically, in North Kolkata, the actual Durga Pujas had started in the beginning and then spread towards the other places like South Kolkata and also towards Salt Lake areas. So from Shialda we'll be starting today, and this is the starting point. Just from Shialda station, this is the big Shialda station, and you can get off in Shialda station from two main exits. So through the Shialda court side on the left hand side, or towards the other side, towards College Square side, which we will be heading to after the first one. And the first one is the Shialda Railway Athletic Club. The Durga Puja over here is very old, almost as old as the Shialda station itself. And from there, through the barricades, you will be gently guided, is the word I'd like to use. Basically, you'll be shoved in through this road, and you'll go towards the second one, which is College Square. I don't think you'll get buses over here at this time. You might get autos, but I don't rely on it because there'll be a lot of people basically walking down the road over here through in front of Purabi Cinema Hall and towards the Presidency College and College Square. So in College Square, you'll be entering from somewhere over here. There's an entrance over here. Google Maps is not showing it. You'll be entering from here, and then head in this direction. Or is it that you'll be entering over here? It's a little confusing to me in this area, in this way. But you'll be entering, and you'll be making a round through College Square. And this is going to be very congested, and College Square is known for the lightings, so you should ideally come here at night, but be ready, it's extremely jam-packed. I don't know how much jam-packed will be this year or how much people they will be allowing at a time, but it's very crowded. Like, it'll take you almost an hour to finish this over here. So after you finish College Square, you exit through this road as it shows, and then head towards Muhammad Ali Park, which is not very far away. It's just like less than 10 minutes walking distance to Muhammad Ali Park. And you'll have to enter Muhammad Ali Park from the main road, not through this side over here. You'll enter, then you'll exit, and then you can go towards the main road again, Chittaranjan Avenue, and head towards Santosh Mitra Square. So in Santosh Mitra Square, you'll get this is also a very old Durga Puja pandal, and you can reach there by taking autos and buses. From Muhammad Ali Park, you can get a bus to Central Metro Station, Bow Bazaar Central Metro Station, and from there you can get another auto or bus to Santosh Mitra Square. But just a reminder that the autos and buses are going to be quite congested because this area is like a high traffic area during the pujas as well. And after visiting these places, you're going to be quite tired and you would want to rest and get some food, which you can get near Shialda or near Esplanade. But I would suggest you not go to Esplanade. It's like quite far away and it's off the route. And you can get some food near Shialda. And also let me know if you want me to do a restaurants guide of the area. If you want, I can do that for you if it will help you. Let me know in the comments. Okay, moving on. So after having some food, some lunch or some snacks, don't have too much, otherwise you're going to be full and won't be able to walk after this. You can move over to you'll head off to Maniktala, but you won't go all the way towards Maniktala. You will get off one stoppage before it, so that you can visit the Brindavan Matri Mondir Durga Pujo, Durga Utsav over here. And I'm going to be adding this map in the description of this video, so you can follow the guide and go to the places accordingly. And from here you can walk a little bit towards two more Durga Pujas, Chalta Bagan and Chalta Bagan Lohapatti. The Lohapatti is right on the road, and it's very beautiful. It's small but very beautiful Durga Puja pandal which you can visit. So from Chalta Bagan Lohapatti you move over towards westward, towards the Shimla Bam Shamiti. Over here in Shimla Bam Shamiti, after visiting Shimla Bam Shamiti, you head towards the main road, and it's not too much of a distance, but you can always get autos if you are very tired, and then reach Hedua Park. So Hedua Park is also very old puja, and this whole area is named Hedua, as you can see over here. And after Hedua Park is going to be the final stop for today. It's Kashi Bosh Lane Durga Puja Shamiti. And after visiting this one, you can again have some food and then leave for home, because the Girish Park metro station is not at all far from here. You can reach there in quite a jiffy. And this is actually midway between the Girish Park and the Shobha Bazaar. You can go to either one of them, and from there you can go home. Or if you want, you can even head towards Hatibagan Market, and from Hatibagan Market you can get a bus towards the Ultotanga train stoppage, Bidhannagar train stoppage, Bidhannagar station, and head home. I hope you like this video. The map is in the description below if you want to download it or save it so that you can use it to your advantage. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of the next videos as soon as it's out. And if you want any other kind of video, then let me know in the comments. Did I miss any place? Then let me know about that in the comments as well. That's it for this one. Bye bye.